All right, everybody. Welcome to my first video for Sale Freaks. For those of you who know me, then you probably are wondering why I'm here and why I'm on this channel right now. Because you're probably like, oh, Tom, you always talk about other repricing tools. You always talk about different software. But I also do always try to talk about finding the best possible software for you and for what you do. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Tom Cormier. I've been full-time eBay dropshipping for about almost 9 months now, and I've been eBay dropshipping in general for just about a year. And I've found quite a bit of success with it, not to toot my own horn here. So I do regularly now about $100,000 to $150,000 in sales a month, between 7 and 8% profit. So if you're talking about $150,000 a month at 8% profit, you're pulling in a decent amount of change, decent chunk of change. But what else do? I also run my own YouTube channel, and I run my own Facebook group that has around 3,600 members in it. So I would say that I have a semi-presence in the whole entire dropshipping community, and that Sale Freaks did pick the right person for the job. So what is my job? My job for you guys in this video sequence, in this video, whatever you want to call it, is basically I'm going to educate you guys on Sale Freaks. What do I know about Sale Freaks? The thing is that I am starting Sale Freaks with you guys. I have just started Sale Freaks 3 days ago, and I have seen almost immediate success, or I have seen immediate success, and it's blown my mind. So, I mean, I wouldn't be here making videos for you guys explaining Sale Freaks and how it's a great program. I don't endorse any programs that I don't actually use and that I don't think are good. There is programs that I have endorsed in the past that I don't endorse anymore, and there's programs that there's never a program that I endorse that I haven't used. There's been people that have reached out to me to endorse their programs, and I've told them, no, I don't like it, and I'm very adamant about that. Sale Freaks reached out to me. I tried out their program, and I can tell you right now that if you follow what I'm going to teach you in the next videos that I make, it's probably going to be 2 to 3 videos that come out a week for the next however many weeks. You are going to see success, if not immediate success. So I sold 8 items my very first day with Sale Freaks, and I saw some unreal numbers and some unreal profits that you don't see in other places using other techniques. And if you want to pair Sale Freaks with something else, that could work for you. Or you could go full-time Sale Freaks. I believe I'm going to move over at least one of my accounts to full-time Sale Freaks in the next week, and hopefully the rest of my accounts slowly over the next couple of weeks to make sure that everything's a smooth transition. But I want to go through all of this and experience it firsthand so that I can then make videos for you guys on how to do it and do it yourself so that you're not afraid to do it. I feel like the number one reason why people don't change repricing softwares is because the one that they use is working. It took them too long to figure out how to get it to work, and they're afraid to switch to another one. And I can tell you right now, I've switched around to, this is my 3rd repricing tool now, and I'm not afraid to admit it. I like to bounce around. If I see promise somewhere, I'm going to go towards that promise. And I'm seeing a ton of promise with Sale Freaks right now, and I'm not just here to try to make it sound like unbelievable. It's really mind-blowing what I've seen in the first 3 full days. So I started on the 22nd of August, and it is right now the 25th of August. So I'm going to try to speed this up a bit, but I do want to share my screen with you guys and show you the first 8 sales that I made with Sale Freaks in the first day. So this is the first item that I sold with Sale Freaks. That's a $17.38 profit. The next one is a $7.55 profit. The next one was a 52-cent profit. The next was a $20.18 profit, $14.85, $1.16, $3.78, and $1.13 out of my 8 sales. I actually had 9 full sales, but my virtual assistant actually did cancel it because he didn't know what was going on, because I forgot to tell him that we are using Sale Freaks and there's another software going on. But with that, my total sales on the first day using Sale Freaks was $598.68 of total sales. My total front-end profit before any cash back was $66.55. That's a front-end profit percentage of 11.1%. You can punch the math yourself if you think if I'm lying to you to make the numbers sound good. Cash back, I have the 5% Amazon cashback credit card, and if you live in the United States, you should too. I got $22.93 from cash back, with a total profit of my first 8 sales being $89.48, total profit percentage of 14.9%. You don't see numbers like that on every other program using any other regular method. It's unreal numbers, and I think you can only achieve something like this using SaleFreaks. I set my profit margin between 4 and 25%, and I set it and forget it. That's where all the profits landed, and that's what happened. So I just want to show you another just proof of purchase, proof of example. This is, I just got the repricing tool, or not the repricing, the auto ordering tool set up today. So all of these 7 days, this isn't real numbers right here, but the 24-hour numbers, this is a real number. I've made $179 profit in 24 hours just on the front end of SaleFreaks. Cash back card, I'm sure is closing in on another 100, and this is one of my 3 accounts. I only have 1 account on SaleFreaks right now. It's not even fully integrated with SaleFreaks yet. So imagine just the promise of when I fully get it all onto SaleFreaks. And I'm going to show you something that will blow your mind. So over the last, I'm not going to lie, August has been a slow month. And over the last few weeks or a couple weeks, I'm just like, wow, sales are slowing down. What can I do? I mean, I'm still making some pretty decent sales, but it was nowhere close to what I've done in the last 3 days. So just yesterday, I hit the highest day in sales I've ever hit in my life. I hit $7,200 in sales across my 3 accounts. And I'm going to show you that it was mainly the account connected to SaleFreaks that pulled over half the weight of it. So I'm going to click on this overview. This is, in fact, the second account I've ever created, and I'm using it right now as like a main account. So right now you can see I was doing around 2,000 in sales, 2,000 in sales, 2,000 in sales. Then it started lowering. You know, every other 3, 4, or 5 days it would be 2,000 in sales. So eventually I hit the lowest sales day I've hit in the last probably 3 months on this account at $971. And I was like, you know what? I'll take SaleFreaks up on their offer. I've seen people have success with it, and I'm gonna give it a go. I then I bulk uploaded 600 items to SaleFreaks on the 22nd of August, and I sold $3,100 in sales. Only 600 of it was from SaleFreaks. So not only did listing that many items boost just my overall just sales, but I also had a crazy high profit percentage just from my SaleFreaks items, let alone the other ones. Next day, boom, 4,000 in sales. I've never hit 4,000 in sales on one singular account in one day ever, and I hit it right away. Second day. Third day, highest day yet, 4,400 in sales. That's insane, and that's the total. This total day right here, Friday, August 24th, is when I hit 7,200 in sales. And today I'm at 2,400, and it's 7 p.m. There's still about 8 hours left of selling in the day that hopefully I can, you know, at least hit 3,500. I'm not expecting every day to be 4,400. That's just unreal. But, you know, who knows? Maybe it could be a future possibility. So with that, I just wanted to show you guys that SaleFreaks is the real deal. I have yet to fully move over. I'm not going to lie to you, but it is in the works, and it is down the pipeline in the next 1 to 2 weeks. Everything will be moved over to SaleFreaks, and I can't be more excited to just start this endeavor and just start this whole entire collaboration between the two of us. So what are you guys going to get out of me, and what am I making these videos for? You are going to get just weekly 1 to 2, maybe 3 videos weekly on just how to use SaleFreaks. The next one's going to be how to set up your global settings, which is just your overall settings on SaleFreaks, and how to just set up everything, get everything ready to be selling items. The next one will probably be setting up your account for auto ordering, maybe setting up, you know, just how to use the locator function or the listing generator function. There's just going to be just videos on videos on videos, just content on content on how to set up your SaleFreaks account and how to be successful using this program. I feel not a lot of repricing tools out there have videos on how to set up everything in depth by an actual YouTube, eBay drop shipper that, you know, knows how to go out there and connect to people and create good content. And I think that that's what a lot of repricing tools are lacking. And that's why I hope to make this just a great program for SaleFreaks and for you guys just in general. I hope you guys see a lot of success out of this. I hope instant success like I've been seeing. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'm going to catch you in the next video where I go over the global shippings, the global settings, just part of SaleFreaks. So I'll see you in the next video, and I'll talk to you later.